the 2010 Hyundai Elantra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. The following features are included: front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.